Today I'm gonna do a full review of 2022 Prius Prime XLE. This is the wheel. Actually, the shape is also pretty good. Inside what it comes with it. And we open this one. It's nice and soft. It's very good actually. You can wash it after if it gets dirty. You can wash it easily. Just take this one out and wash it. They find out if they said from 22 app and the starter remote, it doesn't come with the keys, and you can they said you can download the apps and you can start and stop from the phone. So I did download the app right here. You can start remotely from your app, from the phone. It's the key doesn't have the option, see, so you can start and turn off your car from the app from here. Stop. And also you can see the charge. You have to register and sign up for this app, so it shows the charge also. It's nice. And also it has with the XLE, it has a heated seat, a driver and passenger, and it has also wireless charging. But one thing about this one, make sure that this should be turned on. Now it's on. Now it works. If it's off, so the wireless charging is not working. So make sure it's on. And this is the driving mode. Whether you drive on electric or both gas and electric. But it's a very good car on gas. You save a lot of money on gas. So it's all touch system. Let me go. Let me show you guys how to start. I mean, the remote start is not on the key, so you can download the app and then you can turn on and turn off your car from the apps. So you can control everything from here. So I'm gonna start it. Start it now. Apply. So now it's going to start the car. Since it is an electric car, it doesn't have any fun. So it is started. So it is that's the climate. I think after the 19 minutes it turns off itself if you do not drive. So it's automatically turned off after 19 minutes. And also you can turn it off and you can control everything from here. Yes. It shows everything. You see the mileage, the charge, and distance to empty. And also through the apps you can find the charger station. Go down here and it says view all the see there are the chargers when you zoom it in. So there's a lot of chargers, you know, this fast charging. You can go there and charge it. I found a fast charging station, so I'm gonna show you how to charge your car, your plug-in car or Prius Prime. So you're gonna download this app. This is for the starter control, and you can control your AC and whatever, as I told you before. And also, and this one is for the fast charging station. So you can download this and register and set it up. So I'm going to show you how to charge your car. So there's a lot of chargers. Ooh. So I'm right here at this one. It shows on the map. So it says available, start charging. So I'm gonna tap or go close by with the charging station. So I'm gonna open this first. The right hand side is the charging plug, and the other side is the gas. So let me show you how to charge. This is the fast charging or super charging, whatever. So I opened the app already and start charging. Make sure you get your phone close to this part. Now there was a sound and it says on the screen plug in. It shows the sign, and on the app say okay, and then unplug this one, the nozzle, whatever, and then put it here. Yep. And then that, make sure this light should be on, and also this one you can hear a click from this, that is start charging, and also it shows on the screen. See, I'm the first time registration to this charging point, so I think it's for free for right now. And also you can see everything from here. Oh, it says not charging, I don't know why. Oh yeah, it says now it's okay. Now it come on the screen, see, it's charging. So it tells you everything. 9 miles per hour at 3.16 kilowatts. estimated miles added. So for right now, for me it's free. I don't know why. Maybe I'm first time registered. And it tells you everything. When you stop charging, and you just press stop charging, and then they stop charging you. It tells you everything. 1 minute, 0.2 kilowatt added, and also it tell you there on the screen, and you can see the details. See, it shows you the details over there. So charging in 2 minutes, time lapsed 2 minutes, and 0.0678 kilowatts. So this fast charging takes like 2 hours to get fully charged your car. So it's pretty good. It's nice. So I'm gonna sit in the car for a while to get a little bit charged. And also it shows on the screen time to full charge, 1 hour and 40 minutes is gonna be fully charged. So as I told you, we're gonna stop charging from your apps, from your app. So we're gonna stop. Let me show you guys the details over here. You see they didn't charge me. 1.3360 kilowatts and 26 minutes time elapsed. So I'm gonna stop charging. That's enough. And you can hear it click from the charging. Stop charging. Contacting the station. Yep, there was a click, so it says session stopped successfully. Okay, and I close the app, and then I'm gonna unplug this and then put it back. Yep. But one thing, guys, it says received 26th August. They charged me nothing. It's 1.371 something kilowatts. So you cannot pull it out unless you start charging from your app. After you start charging from your app, and that and this release this nozzle, whatever, and then you can put your car on charge. That's it, my friend. If you like it, thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you, appreciate it. Subscribe please for more videos. Thanks.